On to some more innovation for you, the Innovation Shootout. It's an event showcasing Australian innovation. It's coming up soon in the United States. It's part of G'day USA and features Aussie companies looking to present their technologies to US-based venture capitalists. Well, one of the tech firms being featured is called Zarloc, specialising in providing remote IT help desk support solutions. And Rachel Skinner is the company's founder and CEO. She's in our Adelaide bureau for you. Warm welcome to you. The launch back in 2008. What makes yours so unique?
Well, our ROS system is basically designed for restaurants. It's a web-based rostering system. So them having a distributed office means no matter where they are, they can actually log in and update wages and do rostering from their home computers or in the office. So it suits them very well. It also integrates with point of sales as well as payroll, which is unique with the web software that's available to the restaurant and supermarket industries. So that makes us unique.
All right, fair enough. Now, how have you kind of got the traction to get this product to market? We talk about the government needing to foster innovation in this space. Are we ahead of the curve on that one yet, or are you still been pulling your hair out over it?
No, I think we do have a good support network as far as government funding and support in other ways. We became part of what's called the Growing Global Companies program here in South Australia about 2 years ago, and that provides us with training and access to experts in the various business fields, and we've found that an excellent way for us to understand the global market and ready ourselves for this opportunity in 2 weeks' time. So that's been great. We were also able to get a small business grant from the South Australian government, which is also going to expedite us reaching our targets. So I think we are up there, and potentially Australia is ahead in the area of innovation.
Your target being what?
Well, obviously we would like to enter the US market, and we would like to sell to restaurants there. We have a 3-year goal of having what we call 10,000 units on board, and that is quite achievable considering the market size. There are 900,000 restaurants just in the US alone, so our targets are within scope, and yes, we are. That's what our targets are, yeah.
What sort of stress testing have you put this technology through to make that your one bite of the cherry doesn't prove decidedly sour?
Yes, that's a very good question. We have actually been developing it for 4 years here with Subway franchisees. Now, they're the second largest quick service restaurant worldwide, and we've been working very closely with them through the development phase here in South Australia, Queensland and some in New Zealand. We've also now got some clients in Singapore. So we actually have a commercial ready product already with clients in Australia, New Zealand and Singapore. So I think we've really cut our teeth, and we're definitely ready for the opportunity.
Rachel, I must ask you, Zarloc, where the dickens did you get the name from?
You're not the first to ask that question. This started out as a family-based business, and we dedicated the name to actually a combination of our children's names. So that's where it comes from.
Zara being one of them, I'm guessing?
Zarly and Lachlan, yes.
All right, well, intriguing stuff. G'day USA. We've got to give a bit of a plug for the umbrella organisation hosting this event. You know, it's an annual event, I take it. You know, do they commit to really doing a lot of the spade work for you?
They do actually. It's been a very, very good supportive process. We've already, before we've even got there, we've learnt a huge amount. We have a US-based coach, as well as Vicky, who runs the ANZ organisation, which is links between Australian and New Zealand companies to the US. So it's been an excellent supportive introduction to the US. So it's an excellent opportunity, and I definitely recommend other Australian companies give it a go next year.
How stiff is the competition likely to be? There's going to be a panel of judges over this one. You're going to be rated on your uniqueness. Are you confident you've got what it takes?
Oh, definitely confident. Yeah, it's a quite a heavyweight panel. We've got people from IBM and Alison Leopold Tilly from Pillsbury, which is a lawyer's firm, and Chris Shipley, who's a co-founder of Guidewire, and that's a large organisation that actually help launch entrepreneurs and startups and things like that. So yeah, but we definitely in there with a chance.
And if you win it, just what is at stake?
There's a lot at stake. Basically, it would mean that we get more support to actually enter the US market. So we would continue on the road that we're currently on with the support networks from their PR and the coaching. So we would have funds put towards those things that we need to do to get into the US market and succeed.
Everyone loves a winner, Rachel. Best of luck.
Excellent. Thank you very much.
Rachel Skinner, founder and CEO of Zarloc.